Number 5. Vestaware Convection 32QT. Advanced technology. Top heater and bottom heater pipes keeps the food's temperature up quickly. Built-in temperature sensors. Features a digital LED display with easy-to-use controls and oven lamp. Multifunction. Extra wide interior. 4 layers shelf can be adjusted optionally, which are convenient for cooking. Operation safe and user-friendly design. Sensor touch digital control panel is easy to operation. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 4. KitchenAid KCO255BM. This KitchenAid oven can bake 2 whole chickens, based on 3.6 pounds weight, at a time. Versatile, 12 preset cooking functions including everything from bake to cookie, pizza, and even dough proofing. Non-stick interior. Save time, cook chicken up to 20% faster with dual convection bake. Digital display and an interior light for at-a-glance updates on cooking progress without disturbing your dish. Built-in temperature probe. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 3. Cuisinart CSO-300N1. 1800 watt rating. 120 minutes of steady, uninterrupted steam. Accommodates a whole 4.5 pounds chicken or a 12-inch pizza. UC cubic feet 2.93. Specialized bread proofing technology, bakes and proofs bread better and faster. Increases moisture retention. Steam clean technology. Cooks up to 40% quicker than conventional ovens. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 2. Cuisinart Convection Steam Oven. 120 minutes of steady, uninterrupted steam. Cooks up to 40% quicker than conventional ovens. Accommodates a whole 4.5 pounds chicken or a 12-inch pizza. Specialized bread proofing technology, bakes and proofs bread better and faster. 0.60 cubic foot, 47 ounces removable water reservoir. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 1. F.Blumlein KCO255BM. 10 functions save space by combining 10 kitchen appliances into one. Faster cook times. Front cooling exhaust. Big enough to cook an 18-pound turkey or a 12-inch pizza with room to spare. Set the cooking time from 5 minutes up to 3 hours. Please check the description for details and best price.